Welcome to Magic Tricks. Today I want to show you about cards. Now you have to put this, but you have to put this first. First you have this. Put the card like this, and you choose your everyone. Now this is the card. Now you put in there so you can magic. Just look. And then we put it this like like the same like this. And then we magic. Sorry, roll the doll. Empty. Empty, huh? It's empty. Empty. Magic tricks is good to be tricks. You go to the bookstore and then you find this book. And you want to find this book. It has like this. Look at this. Like this. Like this. See, like that. And then this. All about here. And this book. Just look at it there. Then you can show everyone in here in this world. So you can next time in here in Magic Tricks. Bye.